Hello, Wellness Warp Warriors. Imagine transforming your body with just one simple move. Today, we dive deep into the world of squats. What happens when you do 100 of them every day? Let's find out! Number 1. The power of squats. Squats. They're not just for leg day. As a powerhouse exercise, they engage multiple muscle groups and torch calories. But what magic happens when you do 100 daily? Number 2. The first change. In the initial days, your legs feel the burn. That's your muscles waking up. There's improved blood circulation. Hello, glowing skin. You might notice better balance and posture. Number 3. Strengthening and toning. After a week or two, your quads, hamstrings, and calves become more defined. Your core tightens up, giving some love to those abs. Glutes, they're lifting and firming, transforming how you feel in your favorite jeans. Number 4. Beyond the physical. But it's not just about looks. Daily squats. Boost your metabolism, helping with weight management. Enhance joint flexibility and reduce injury risks. Release endorphins, nature's mood lifters. Number 5. Precautions and tips. While squats are transformative, remember, form is crucial. Poor technique can lead to injuries. Listen to your body. If you feel pain, not to be confused with the good burn, take a break. Mixing it up with other exercises ensures overall body wellness. So there you have it! The amazing journey of 100 squats daily. Fancy taking on the challenge or got a squat story of your own? Share below. And if this deep dive into fitness made you feel motivated, hit that like button. For more such wellness gems, subscribe to Wellness Warp. Until next time, keep squatting and stay splendid.